Hey yo, what's up? Thanks for clicking. In this video, I will be showing you how you can make wooden shims using a circular saw. This hack is for people who don't have a table saw or a bandsaw, or those who just don't want to go to the store and buy shims. So recently I noticed that this closet behind me is tilting forward, and I thought it would be a fun project to try to fix that issue using the limited stuff that I already have at home. So as you can see down here, the corner is right against the wall, but as you go up, there's a gap. So I'm gonna try to fix that. So first we need to find out how thick we want our wedges. And to do that correctly, you're gonna need a level, but I don't have that and I'm doing this by myself. So I'm gonna show you my way of doing it. So I'm just pushing the closet here towards the wall till it's evenly flat, and I'm dropping a tape measure to measure that gap from the floor to the front corner. So here I'm drawing a line for how long I want my wedges to be, and then I'm drawing perpendicular lines that are 3/4 inches apart. Then I draw diagonal lines across, and now you can see that they're actually starting to look like wedges. I'm going to cut off this chunk because I don't need it. I actually only need 6 of these, but it's not a bad idea to have extras in case you make mistakes. And there you go, boys and girls, I have created my very own shims from MDF plywood.